Good morning, children. Today I am going to take class 3, subject value education. Lesson number 9, be independent. Self-help is the best help. See here, self-help is the best help. The importance of being independent, not to depend on others for their work. All of you must be doing most of your work yourself, right? You would be combing your hair on your own, wearing shoes and tying laces also on your own. But do you polish your shoes yourself or make someone else polish them for you? What will do? See, always you are doing your work by yourself. You are combing your hair yourself and you are wearing your shoes and tying laces also by your own. But what do you polish your shoes yourself or make someone else to polish them for you? You are depending on others or you are doing by yourself. Shall we start the story? Read this story about how a young girl realized the importance of self-help. Tia learns a lesson. Let me see how Tia learns a lesson. Tia, sit and do your homework. No, mummy, the tutor will do it. Let me watch my favorite cartoon. This was the normal routine. What Tia, she sit and she wants to do the homework. No, mummy, what she is telling? No, mummy, the tutor will do it. Let me watch the favorite cartoon. Who is? She is Tia. Mummy is telling to do your homework. What she is telling? Tutor will do it. She will help me. Okay, this was the normal routine Tia was doing. Tia refused to study till her mother forced her to do so. All projects were made by Tia's tutor. What they are doing? Tia always refuse. Always mother wants to force to read, do their homework and all. All the projects was doing were made by Tia's tutor, who's coming for taking the tuitions and all. One day, just a week before her midterm tests, our mother had to rush to Agra to be with Tia's ailing grandmother. What happened one day? She had just 1 week. She has midterm test. Her mother had to rush to Agra because Tia's grandmother is not feeling well. The tutor was also sick with viral fever. See what happened? The tutor also, also is sick with a viral fever. As soon as her mother left, Tia sat down to watch her favorite cartoons. What happened? As soon as what happened? Her mother has left. What she has done? Routine. She is watching the TV favorite cartoons. In the evening, she went to play with her friends. What happened? She went to play with their friends. This continued for a day or two without Tia touching her books. What happened? Mother also is not there because she went to Agra to see her grandmother because she is not feeling well and tutor also sick. She got viral fever. And she has done routine fair. She watching the favorite cartoon. She went to play without Tia touching her books. Because why? She got the midterm exam. She has not bothered Tia. One day, a school friend rang up Tia to discuss a few problems. One day, what happened? Her friend rang up Tia to discuss some few problems. She has some doubt. Tia friend. Tia was not able to answer even one properly. See what she has done? She always depending on mother or tutor. She has not Tia's friends called up. She is asking some doubts, but Tia cannot answer. Then it struck her that she had not studied at all for her test and would come at the bottom of the class. What happened? She has the test, midterm test, right? She has not touched the books. Of course, so you have to understand that being able to manage one's needs without accepting help in everything from others makes one proud. You have to make yourself proud. You should not depend on others. As her mother wasn't there to keep on telling her to study. Okay, she had not bothered to open her books, but Tia's mother has keep on telling to open their books and study for prepare for test and all, but Tia has not bothered. She had not bothered to open her books. She realized that she must study hard, else she will get very poor grades. Now she has realized that she wants to take more marks, other than she will get very poor grades. Tia studied hard for the test of the days and did very well in the test. She realized the importance of self-help and decided that she would not depend on her mother or the tutor to do her work. Tia has started work hard. Rest of the day she has very work hard she well prepared for the test, and she has realized she don't want to be depend on others, and she decided to do herself work. Okay, do her some work. See what you have to do. School needs like managing homework and studying for test, getting dressed, packing tiffins, and cycling or walking, taking the bus to school. You have to do by yourself. You have to do by what are the checklist you have to make, what you are doing by yourself. Now Tia no longer waits for her mother to tell her to study, nor does she depend on her tutor to make her projects. Tia has learned the self-help is the best help. Now Tia, what she has done? Tia no longer, she is not waiting for her mother and tell her to study, but she is not depending on mother. She is doing by herself. She depend on her tutor to make her project. Tia has learned that self-help is the best help. This is the main important. When you are doing your work, self-help is the best help. See, that being the self-reliant also means that not only in the person managing his or her school needs without depending on others, but also continue to become and more self-reliant in all other areas also. You have to make one checklist what you are doing, how much you are depending on others. Okay, it helps for you. And most of the work you have to do work by yourself. The things how you are depending on your family members and other people. See how Tia has learnt, because she don't know what is the test, or when her friend has called up some doubts she can't answer, but now she has realized, she became good, and self-help is the best help. Thank you.